Hey YouTube, today we're going to be working on my 4+3 transmission in my '84 Vet. So basically it's a 4-speed transmission and it has an overdrive unit that is connected to the back of the 4-speed transmission. It has a bunch of switches on these shifter levers, so we're going to work on that. And what I'm thinking is the balls are sticking inside these shifters. So we'll go ahead and replace that. The other thing that it could be is the solenoid, but the solenoid is no longer available on this thing. But these transmissions, you're shifting them in and out of first gear so many times that the balls start to stick now and then. And that's what I'm hoping the problem is. Here you can see the wiring diagram. It's got 4 switches on the transmission, and here's the hydraulics for it. So we're going to put in the 3 switches that are on the first, second, third, fourth shifter. I don't need the 4th one, which is the reverse lights, because they work. So we're going to go ahead and replace them and see if I can't get this thing to stop acting up intermittently. Here is the plug and the electrical connector. So this electrical connector goes to the inside of the transmission. It's the pass-through. It comes into the valve body, goes over here to a naturally open pressure switch, and then from the pressure switch it goes to the solenoid. So as long as I have pressure, that solenoid will engage. It also has to have 212 degrees, right? So the way this thing works is the temperature, it looks at the ECM, and if the ECM's at 212 degrees, it'll put power to this connector. That'll send it in. As long as it has pressure, that will turn on that solenoid. Here we have the reverse light switch, and then in front of that are the 3 switches that we're going to go ahead and try to replace today. I'd like to put the solenoid in, but it's no longer available. Here we're going to repair some of the wiring, clean up the wiring. It was looking a little ratty, and I had a problem with one of the connectors, so we're going to go ahead and take care of that. Here's the 3 switches that we're going to put in. Like I say, this back one, that's the reverse light switches. We're not going to worry about that, just these front 3. So we'll take a look at them and see what we can do with them. Here I have the new switches in, so hopefully we get this project all straightened out. You know, the front of this transmission takes regular gear oil, and the back automatic right here takes Dex 3 automatic transmission. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.